They add to our diversity, to our society, to our culture, and to our cuisine, and of course, to our economy. Let us not settle on multiculturalism being just a brand we associate with or take pride in as a nation, but rather fully embrace it by caring for one another, by accepting each other for who we are and what we can become, and by ensuring all voices are heard at the table. It is time to love, care, and respect one another. It is time to unite, not break away and divide. It is time to use our diversity as our strength and seek wisdom in our differences. Because we all know beneath it all, we all belong to the human race. I'll finish by sharing the poem by Saadi Shirazi called Bani Adam, which translates to Children of Adam, a truly timeless piece that my late father would always recite to me in Dari.